Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Luna Classic. I wanted to do an update on that. I usually cover, or I used to cover Luna Classic way more often, but I also did it every weekend. So I just wanted to do a full update on it right now as well. We haven't seen that much price action since I last covered it. I think I last covered it around like Tuesday or Wednesday right here. And nothing has really changed. But there are some fundamental aspects which have changed and which there's also a little bit of potential there. Overall, I think the market structure right now is bearish, and I think we can all agree on that. And I think the only way to really battle that is if some sort of a proposal about the USDC or Luna Classic Repeg is published, or if some sort of a new burn tax will be like a 1.2% burn tax again, but that seems highly unlikely. All right, so I wouldn't put my hopes on that. If we take a look at the burn tax right now, it's probably not burning too much, but it's still loading, so I'll wait for that. But yeah, there are some proposals which are interesting right now, which we'll talk about. But in general, I think the direction is down, unless some sort of a great new proposal, or some sort of a governance proposal, or some sort of a plan for the USDC Luna Classic Repeg is published. All right. If we take a look at the burn tax right now, burn tax is actually pretty decent still, obviously, since it has been increased to 0.5%. But there's no indications. Like usually when you have these spikes, that could be an indication of bullish momentum. Nothing like that soon. So before we dive into the rest of Luna Classic, and I'll tell you what's going on with it, I do want to briefly mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I not only share my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader, but it's also really built to make you a better trader. All right, so there's a trading guide by me, which is very easy to learn and easy to get through. And apart from that, you also have a chat room full of traders on the same mission to actually help you become a better and more profitable trader. So if you want that, then consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Or go to cilinix.com, and there you can find it as well, but that's also a link in the pinned comment. So there's that. Check that out. But for now, on to Luna Classic. So I practically already said what I wanted to say. I mean, the market structure right now is bearish. Our last support level is this level right here, around 6,100. It actually looks quite likely that that will break somewhere in the next week, and that we will continue our move down towards 5,500 at first, but ultimately probably down to this whole 5,000 level. All right, so that's technically what's going on. Now, we could actually consolidate a little bit longer up here if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum in the next 24 hours, which is possible because it's the beginning of the week, but nothing substantial. I mean, Luna Classic could consolidate up here on top of 6,100 for a little bit longer. And Luna Classic could perhaps even get up to 6,600 right here. But in the end, that would not stop something like this. There's only two things that can stop something like this and provide some bullish momentum. One we already talked about, and that's some sort of a plan for the Luna Classic USDC Repeg. And the other one is this, perhaps. There's a proposal, a governance proposal right now to actually repeg USDC using Luna Classic and USDC burns, which this proposal on its own is not going to do anything because it doesn't work. All right. The only thing why it might actually provide some bullish momentum is because it looks at this point in time like it will pass. All right. So then if it actually passes and people get news of this, then we might actually see some bullish momentum. But the proposal itself, it doesn't work because it basically says that we need to burn a lot of the volume. And then it says, well, the volume right now, if we take a look at it, is $9.6 million USD, which is true, but most of that volume is just from exchanges. All right, so you cannot just burn that. You have to get all of the exchanges on board, most notably Binance, and then they have to basically throw away money for this to work. So that's basically also that was also the problem with the burn tax, is that most exchanges just do it off chain and they don't want to lose money on that. So this proposal could actually, if it passes, but I'll still make an update on that, it could take care of some sort of a spike, but overall I don't think it's going to do anything sustainably bullish. But I did think you need to you needed to know about it. But for now, that's my take on Luna Classic. Everything you need to know for now, at least in my opinion. If you do have any questions though, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.